Good evening, children. So last class we have completed exercise 4.2 up to problem number C, and today's class we are going to start with problem number D. Find the HCF using the prime factorization method. So first we are going to find HCF. By what method? Prime factorization method. After finding the prime factorization, we are going to check the answer by division method. So both the models we are going to try it out. One is prime factorization and another one is division method. First we will do prime factorization, then we will do division method and we will check the answer. So first I have solved problem number 4, problem number 3, 78, 98. So I have taken problem number 3. For first 78 we are going to find prime factorization. The smallest prime number is 2. So we are going to start with 2. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6. Remainder is 1. So when you carry it over to the next number, it is 18. 9 2s are 18. 39. So it will be coming in 3 table. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. 13 is a prime number. So it is divisible by 1 and by itself only. So we are going to do it by 13. 13 table. 13 will come one time. So 78 can be written as 2 into 3 into 13. And the next number is 98. Unit digit is 8, so we can do it by 2 tables. Smallest prime number, 4 2s are 8, 9 minus 8 is 1. Carrying over it, 18, 9 2s are 18, 49. So we all know 49 will come in 7 tables, 7 7s are 49. So again 7 table one time. So 98 can be written as 2 into 7 into 7. HCF means highest common factor. When you see both the factors, 2 is the only common factor, so your answer is 2. We have found HCF as 2 in prime factorization method. We are going to check it out by solving it in division method. Division method, 78 is the smallest number comparing to 98. So 78 is your divisor, 98 is your dividend. One time, 98 minus 78 is 20. Now 78 is the bigger number, so bringing it to the dividend place, 20 3 times you will be getting 60. 78 minus 60 is 18. Now comparing 20 and 18, 18 is the smaller number, so bringing 20 to the dividend place, 118 is 18, 20 minus 18 is 2. 2 is smaller, so bringing 18 to the dividend place, 9 2s are 18. When you receive the remainder as 0, we'll stop the procedure, and at that step, what is your divisor is your HCF. So HCF is 2. In both the models, you are getting the answer HCF as 2. So we have done the problem correctly. And problem number 5 here, this is second model having 3 numbers in the question. So we'll start by prime factorization method, 88. So 88, smallest prime number, will start with 2. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 44. Again 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2, 22, 2 table, 11 times, 11 will be coming in 11 table, so 1 time. 88 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. 168, unit digit is 8, so we'll start with the smallest prime number 2. 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8, again 2 table, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is to 21. Now 21 will 3 table. If you do it with 3 table, 7 3s are 21, again 7 table 1 time. So your answer will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, 184. 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4, again 2 table, 4 2s are 8, carry over 1, 6 2s are 12, 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 23 table 1 time. So 184 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 23. We have to check the highest common factor 2. In both the numbers you have 2. Again 2 is common, 2 is common. So it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Your HCF is 8. When you do by prime factorization method, your answer is 8. Now we are going to do it by division method and we are going to check its answer. When you compare the first two numbers in the question, 88, 168, 88 is the smaller number comparing to 168. So selecting 88 as the divisor, 168 as the dividend. Now, one time 168 minus 88, when you subtract, you will be getting 80. 88 is the bigger number, so writing in the dividend place, 180 is 80, subtracting, you will be getting 8, bringing 80 in the dividend, 10 8s are 80. So you got the remainder as 0. With this, we will stop these steps and we will select the divisor as the HCF. So HCF is equal to 8. In the both the model, you are getting HCF is 8. So your answer is correct. In the same model, you solve the remaining problems as your homework. Thank you, students.